Good morning. My name is Adeyemi, a mathematics teacher. So this morning I'm going to teach you on set theory. So that is the topic for today. But before we go into that topic, let us look at this lesson starter. So I want to try this in the next 30 seconds. So you're going to start this mental arithmetic from this end, then down to this end, then you get your final answer. So you have 30 seconds for that. Your time starts now. Do that carefully, you will notice that your final answer is going to be what? 27. Now, let us look at the lesson objectives for today. So, the lesson objectives for today, at the end of this lesson, students should be able to number one, define what set is. Then, number two, list elements in a given set properly. Then, number three, identify what you call set notations. Now, how can we describe set? Now, if you look at what I have in front of me here, I have set of textbooks, I have set of wristwatches, cutleries, and biscuits. Now, if you look at each of these items, say they are set because these are just set of what textbooks, well defined. So that's why we refer to set as what? A set is a collection of well defined objects called elements. So each of these are referred to as element. The same thing applies to these wristwatches, these cutleries, and what? And this biscuit. Now, when you want to list members of a set, we normally do that in a curly bracket, this special bracket. Now, in this case, I have set of letters, alphabet letters in English, starting from A, B, C, D to this end. So you can see that I started the notation by a capital letter, then equals to, then I have this curly bracket that each of these elements are being separated by what? By comma. So the same thing, this is another way in which I can represent an element. Now, it is possible for you to have a set which doesn't have any element inside it. So in such a case, you say that the set is what? It's a null set. So a null set is the one that doesn't have any element inside it. So if you want to indicate that a set is empty, we either use this symbol or we use this symbol. Is that okay? Now we're going to look at some notations of set. So we'll be talking about these notations as we move on. Now this one simply means empty set. This symbol means union. This means intersection, and so on and so on. So by the time we continue in this topic, we're going to talk more about this. I think this we have been able to achieve all these objectives that we learned. We can define what a set are. We know how to list elements in a set, and we have some set notations that we have discussed. Thank you.